Tesla, it's the brand that's been shaking up the automotive world. But with all the hype comes a lot of myths and misconceptions. In today's video, we're busting the biggest myths about Tesla, so you know exactly what to expect before you make that big purchase. Myth number 1. Tesla cars are just too expensive. Sure, Tesla has some high-end models, like the Models and Model X, but did you know that the Model 3 starts at a price comparable to many mid-range, luxury cars? Plus, when you factor in the savings on gas and government incentives, owning a Tesla might be more affordable than you think. Myth number 2. Electric cars have limited range. While this was true in the early days of electric vehicles, Tesla has shattered that myth. Most Tesla models can easily go over 300 miles on a single charge. And with the rapidly expanding supercharger network, long road trips are no problem at all. Myth number 4. Tesla's autopilot is dangerous. This one's a biggie. While autopilot isn't a fully autonomous system, it's one of the most advanced driver assistance technologies on the market. Tesla constantly updates its software, and studies show that vehicles using autopilot have fewer accidents compared to the average car. Just remember, it's meant to assist, not replace, the driver. And finally, myth number 5. Electric cars aren't fun to drive. If you've ever experienced the instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration of a Tesla, you know this couldn't be further from the truth. Tesla's dual-motor system delivers performance that rivals some of the best sports cars on the market. It's not just fun, it's exhilarating. So there you have it, 5 of the biggest Tesla myths busted. If you've been on the fence about buying a Tesla, we hope this video has given you some clarity. Whether it's the cost, the range, or the driving experience, Tesla is redefining what's possible in the world of cars. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Got any other Tesla myths you want us to bust? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.